Hermit crabs are like the ultimate low-maintenance pets with a quirky twist. They're small, quiet, and pretty chill, making them a great choice if you're looking for something unique but easy to care for. One of the coolest things about hermit crabs is their habit of switching shells as they grow. It's like they have their own little mobile homes, and watching them pick out a new shell is pretty fascinating. These little guys don't need much, just a tank with some sand, a few shells to choose from, and food every now and then. They're also fun to watch as they crawl around, exploring their environment with their tiny claws. While they don't exactly cuddle or play fetch, hermit crabs still make interesting, low-key companions. Plus, they're perfect if you want a pet that's a bit different from the usual cats or dogs, but still easy to take care of.